As you know, I am relaunching my official Combat Midwife Birth Kit, and I just bought a bag that I think is going to work. Knife is to open box. Let's do it. Okay, here it is. I also purchased cookies, so if this is all going to go to the poop catcher, I can wallow in my own tears. Wrapping paper, the cookies, the bag. Oh God, I don't know. I am not hopeful. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, I don't think it's big enough. Okay. Shit. I don't think it's big enough. Okay. No. It doesn't all fit, and I'm gonna go cry now. If anyone has any solutions, call me. As you know,